Okay, so here's the stock knob. I got the voodoo sitting right there ready to go. Oh, what else is coming through here? We'll change it up. Here, I wonder if I can. I haven't tried taking the stock knob off yet. Oh, look at that, just twists. Actually, not that bad. Okay, stock knob is off. Now the voodoo little thing there says make sure you take off any of this Loctite or whatever they got on here. That's pretty good. I got my magnum voodoo knob here. Says to go backwards first, make sure your threads are open. Oh, and crank her down. It says don't be afraid to crank it. So, as tight as I can get it by hand. Oh, right. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Unless you can see it very well, but it looks like it matches and lines up pretty good color-wise with the rest of the stuff in the car. There you go. One installed. I believe it's the Magnum Pearl shift knob in my 2004 RX-8.